Hey, it's Mac. Today I'm going to guide you through installing your Tipm with ease. This model fits 06 through 08 RAMs. Let's dive in. In the box, you'll find your Tipm and your user guide, which includes the installation steps, core return, warranty, and other useful information. Now let's talk tools. You'll need a zip tie, wire cutters or scissors, a ratchet, 13, 12, and/or 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. To start the installation, we're going to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the ground cable first and then the positive. This will avoid any potential shorts. Once the cables are removed, zip tie them together, which will drain the capacitors, therefore resetting the memory of the car. Next, we'll remove the old Tipm. Unscrew the power post using a 13mm socket and gently pull up the power post to disconnect. Press the plastic tabs with your fingers or a flathead screwdriver, removing the Tipm from its cradle. Then carefully unplug the connectors. For this plug, press on the tab, release the lever, and remove. You may have to wiggle a bit. Continue to remove the rest of the plugs like so. Now let's install the new Tipm. Plug in the connector securely. Make sure all levers are back in their locking position. Then ensure the fuses are seated properly by gently pressing on them. Push the Tipm back into its bracket. Reconnect the power post and tighten the nut using a 13mm socket. Let's reconnect the battery. Cut the zip tie, connect the positive cable first, then the ground, and then tighten the connections with a socket. Time for a soft reset. Turn the ignition to the run position. If you have a key or key fob, you'll actually physically turn it with the key. If you have a push start, without pressing on the brake pedal, press on the button until run is illuminated. Don't start. Wait at least 120 seconds. During this period, the check engine light and many other lights on the cluster may flash. This is completely normal. After 120 seconds, turn off the vehicle. You can now turn your vehicle on as normal. You may have to do the soft reset multiple times in order for it to be successful. If you have a remote start, please keep in mind it will not work properly until you've gone at least 100 miles or completed a drive cycle. If you need to process a return, please click on this video. As always, thanks for choosing Max.